There is a breakdown of the song What May Be Safely Written from the album Mythophalic, where there is a 13/16 note time signature, and I'm asked to play what the guitar plays. Basically, follow the riff. During the making of the song back in the days, I had this idea to take this 13/16 signature and actually break it into small groups, and this way add a little bit more flavor on the song. So this is a very basic approach on these odd time signatures, which I call odd time illusions. Let's first start with counting the 13/16s, okay? Try to hear the melody, count it, and so on. So it will be like... Now here's a fun part. If you hear the riff and you try to break it into smaller groups, to me it sounds like 6, 6, and 1, okay? Which makes perfect sense. 6 plus 6 equals 12 plus 1, 13, okay? So it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, okay? So let's try to break this into groups of 4. We're going to have 4 and 4 equals 8, and 4 equals 12, plus 1. So we're talking about 3 groups of 4 plus 1. And it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay? Let's try to do the same with groups of 3. We're going to have 4 groups of 3, which equals 12 plus 1. And it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1. Okay? Then groups of 5. We're going to have 2 groups of 5, which equals 10. Then we cannot add another group of 5 because we're going to go up to 15. So we're going to make it smaller. The last one is going to be smaller. So a group of 3, for example. Okay? So 5, 5, and 3 equals 13. And it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? You can do whatever you want. You could do a group of 7, for example, and then add a group of 6. And that's going to sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Then you can do the same thing by applying all these subgroups into a drum groove. For example, group of 6, 6, and 1 is going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1. Groups of 5, 5, 5, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. Seven and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. while we are on the subject, I would like to add something about the old time illusions. And that will be whatever you do on stage and whenever you try different groupings and you do these old time illusions, you never actually count stuff in your head. Counting will be the first approach. And then you hear the melody. So whatever happens will be something natural that will come from practice, of course. You should start by counting stuff and get the idea, and then try to listen. This is the trick. Try to listen what happens here. So a group of 6, for example, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. And then it's kind of like you're spacing the whole thing, okay? And it's going to sound like it's kind of like a melody, okay? So whatever happens for the beginning, you know, if you count stuff and you try to do all these breakdowns, this will be wise. But then try to listen, and when you try things in your music, try to hear the melodies and make it more musical. This will definitely have an immediate effect on your music. This is something very useful and something more modern. And as you're going to see, you can also apply it in extreme music.